Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency, backed drain user Ethereum funds via arbitrary trading bot. Max gain arbitrary trading bot bold Mavabot Swiss claim. Through VB stress-free passive income has been actively draining its user funds via funds stealing backdoor. Arbitrage bots are programs that unibet trading to profits based on historical market information, and its investigation of bots contract revealed a backdoor that allows the creator to drain Ether from its user wallets. Crowdcoding, the stock market today is called recessions. Investing come to the closet sharply lower and the weak and bubbling fell into bear market territory Friday as investors free about the potential of a deeper and darker recessions amid growing worries that the Federal Reserve will overshot the Dow Jones Industrial Average points and fall into bear market territory intraday as loss exceeded for the January peak. The field closed at lowest since June. Nasdaq energy sampled pressured by a surge in the dollar and worries that a deeper global recession will hurt energy demand. Platform corporation fears a recession have intensified this week after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the central bank would expansive of economic growth. The Fed pushed its rate cut for respectfully signaling further jumbo said hikes it, with the Fed hiking rates into a slowing economy in which inflation is still well above trend. Morgan Stanley warned that weakness in economic activity will be more broadly spread. The bank cut its use growth forecast in 2022 from 20 previously and its 2023 forecast to from previously. The Dow was also dragged lower by a more than 5 points in Boeing after the Oakers company and charges it Milson investor about the major crisis. Consumer stocks, which are also equally vulnerable to slowing economy, grow fell more than to as investor price a software consuming spending. Amazon slipped more than 3 will travel in user stock repented their losses for the week, with cruise line and casino stocks coming under heavy pressures. Tech stock also played a big role in the broader market meltdown. FedEx meanwhile fell more than 3. Wall Street cautioned about and whether shipping gains costing saving measures will be enough to ease falling shipping volumes and higher inflation. The company released fiscal first quarter results that fell short of estimate by announced plans to ramp up shipping rates in generate total cost saving billion. The cost saving numbers, while impressive on a headline basis, is likely not nearly enough in the context of high inflation and declining volumes that Shed Bank said it and not. Two long just in the row average war points and fell into bear market territory in 3 days as losses extended from the January peak. The fell close to its lowest level since June. The Nasdaq 1 million first of a recession have indicated this week after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the central bank would remain on mission to curb inflation at the expense of economic growth. The Fed pushed its rate hike forecast up from previously signaling further jumbo side hikes ahead, with the Fed hiking rates into slowing economy in which inflation is still well above trend. Morgan Stanley warned that weakness in economic activity will be more broadly spread. The bank cut its use growth forecast in 2022 from 0 previously and its 2023 forecast to 0.5% from 1.3% previously. The Dow was also dragged lower by a more than 5% flung in Boeing after the express company said it had received a 1 million settlement and charges it misled investors about the Maxis crisis. Consumer stocks, which are so likely vulnerable to slowing economic growth, fall more than 2 as investors priced in softer consumer spending. Amazon slipped more than 3, while travel and user stock dependent the loser for the week, with cruise line and casino stock coming under heavy pressures. Tech stock also played a big role in the broader market meltdown. Fed meanwhile feel more than 3 as well. Street cost doubt on whether the shipping gains cost saving measure will be enough to offset falling shipping volumes and higher inflation. The company released fiscal first quarter results that fall short of estimates, but announced plans to ramp up shipping rates and generate total cash saving of 1 billion. The cost-saving numbers, while impressive on a headline basis, is likely not nearly enough in the context of high inflation and declining volumes, the Church Bank said or not. With the Fed hiking rates in slowing from the session. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.